Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to make Instagram stickers bigger. Let's begin. First, we'll open up your Instagram app, and then I'm gonna go to add my story. And if I just click right there, and I just snap a picture of my logo. All right. Now, when I go to add my sticker, you should know how to add a sticker. But if you don't know how to add it, please leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll teach you. So say I found this sticker, okay? To make this bigger, what I'll do is I'll place two fingers on that sticker, so my thumb and my index finger. If I put two fingers on that and pretend like I'm stretching it apart, it will make the sticker bigger. So just keep excuse me, put two fingers on the sticker and then stretch them apart, and that makes the sticker bigger. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.